John Page. So this is a quick run through of the wireframe that I've created to discuss the alpha version of what we're going to build for hexsee Mobile. So I'm going to go into the tool here, preview the project, and you'll see it loads the hexsee login screen that you guys created. We'll just hit sign in, and it's going to bring up the home screen, the dashboard as I called it here. On all of the screens, the top left takes you to your details, where you can change your picture, change your name, notifications. You'll be able to scroll down to update other profile information. Home screen takes you back to the dashboard. And here we've got a list of all of the groups or adventures that you're in, both private ones and public ones. The tools here are intended to be able to, you can focus on particularly recent ones or a search facility to discover adventure content. So I'm going to go here into the Baby and Friends project. So I'm pretending to be Michelle. This is somebody else. You can see it's clearly labeled here whose friends session we're in. Normal browser control with a drop down so you can see the browser history. The area here is scrollable, so you can just browse as normal. The section at the bottom here, which is really ugly colors, but this is intended to convey the fact that we can get a sort of 1.5 line entry of events happening in both this and other adventures. Now the key element here is obviously the hexsee share button, which I put in here that we can drag around. This is the concept. And if we want to make a particular comment somewhere, then we just double tap on that. Well, that's the interaction here in this wireframe. And it brings up this dialog box, and this is what we're going to send off. So the intent here is to give you an impression of what the other person's going to see when you send this off. So it's going to come from Michelle. The name is shown there. The intent here with the stickers, if you want to put a sticker in, there will be a vertical carousel where you could change from a heart to a cross, or no sticker if you don't want to put a sticker at all. There's an auto snippet here. If you want to adjust the snippet, then you would redrag the pin, and the piece of the underlying DOM web page that it selects would change what's displayed here. We've got a doodle tool here. Bit of an afterthought, ugly in this particular appearance, but I did like the illustration of how the doodle tool would work on this other wireframe screen, so I just put it into this demo. So I'll just go back from that. If you want to change who you're sending this to, I've been browsing around in the Baby Friends adventure and I see something, hey, wouldn't my friends like to know that? Then I can click on the adventure here to change it. I would then click on my adventure or somebody else's adventure that I want to send it to, and then that would change the group that it's sending it to here in the dialog box. If you want to type a message in as well, you can do that using the keyboard here. If you want to cancel, hit the cancel button. That takes us back to where we are. If I bring that modal up again, if I want to send that to an adventure, I would simply press send. So this is a key concept that if we want to send a message about something on a web page, it's 2 clicks, the simplest one. Drag and drop the pin, brings up the default message, which is a heart and a sticker, goes to the current adventure. If you don't want to doodle, don't have to do anything, and you just hit return. And you can see with return, it would then end up putting the sticker here. Other people would see the message come up in their message ticker here at the bottom. And if it wasn't displayed here, then I'd be able to click on this pin and it would show me the message in focus down here in the footer. So that's basically as far as I got. And I hope you enjoyed watching that and that it's constructive as we move forward. Thank you.